And g'day, Happy New Year. I'm Jacob from Make Science Fun, and I've got three of my favourite boys with me. I've got Geordie, I've got Cooper, and I've got Sam. Now, Geordie and Cooper are sort of my nephews, sort of. And we're going to do some science. Geordie's a big fan, aren't you, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah, Geordie's a big fan. We're going to do a science show today.
Yes.
Okay? And we're going to start with the whoosh bottle. Okay, the whoosh bottle. Now, with the whoosh bottle, it's just a dry drinking bottle like so.
Yeah.
And I'm going to get some methylated spirits, which is pretty dangerous. So don't do this at home without your parents. And you give it a squirt, and then you give it a good shake. So Jordan, do you want to give that a shake for us? Shake, 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 shake. Like this, all over the place. And are you ready to light a match there, Coop?
Okay.
Okay, so Coop's going to light a match, and he's going to drop the lit match in there. Let's see what happens, Coop.
No, wait, what?
Oh, wait, what? I've got him to practice lighting a match
You
before
gotta
the show.
have it up in the air.
I know this one.
Why do you think I got you to practice, Coop?
You gotta have it like this. You gotta have it up in the air. So you
You've got to go faster than that.
You gotta.
Okay,
I can do
if
it.
you can beat him.
Yeah, first one to do it.
That's it. And whoa! Whoa!
I can do it.
Crikey!
That just gave me a heart attack.
Feel that bottle.
Why is it not
It's-
working anymore?
It's warm, feel the bottle. It's an exothermic reaction, gives out heat.
Ow!
Okay? It's an exothermic reaction, gives out heat.
Ow!
Okay? Now I'm going to blow in some, I'm going to replace what gas was used up when I burned it. What gas?
Oxygen.
Oxygen, so I'm going to blow in oxygen again, okay? And we're going to put a bit more metho in. And who's still keen to light it? Or who's like...
Hey, I am Sam.
I'm keen to love it.
Okay, alright. Okay, so the trick is to get your match burning first, right? Are you ready?
Whoa!
And then, I'm going to put my hand on it.
Oh, giving me a heart. Me a heart.
We've seen that methylated spirits is flammable, okay?
Very.
So, I want you to fill this up to about 100 ml. So, squirt in the methylated spirits. Methylated spirits is very, very dangerous. It actually causes the most injuries at school, believe it or not. Big squirt, big squirt, big squirt. And it burns with a bit of a blue flame. Okay, that's enough. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add some strontium chloride, which will help it burn with a red flame. Okay, so I'm going to add a good bit of strontium chloride, and you can stir that up for me. Stir that
I got
up.
some on my hand.
Metho?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Hopefully you don't catch on fire.
Finally, something I can do properly.
Gonna need some water. Methylated spirits and water.
Sorry, stop.
There we go. And so now Sam's gonna put some paper money
I want
in,
to put paper money in.
and he's gonna really wet it. He's gonna really wet
And
it.
then I'll light your fire. And,
And then you're gonna light the paper money. What do you think the paper money's gonna do when you light it?
So idiotly.
Woo! Look at that!
Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa.
How's that?
Oh, my
Now,
thing's on fire.
Geordie,
It's on the fire.
you know with all these fire and flame and stuff, you know there's a safety rule in science?
What?
Tie your hair back.
Yeah,
Tie your hair back for
okay.
safety in
Tie it
science.
back.
That's better. Okay.
I got mine.
Woo! Look at that! Look at that! Burning money! And how come the money's still okay?
And look, it's cold.
It's got water in it and the water protects it. You want to do it once more?
Okay, I'll try. I'll try my best.
There you go. Like
How
that.
does he do it? Like in the
Woo!
exact same speed as me.
We've got a metal container here,
That,
and in goes
that
half,
is fitting.
half a tablet. That's not half. That was a quarter. I'll put the whole thing in.
It's fitting on my
Okay, pour a little bit of water in.
Ooh, I don't
Coop?
finger.
Nah, Coop can do it.
I was giving it to him.
Okay, just a slog.
like that much.
Whoa! There we go.
Whoa.
And I'm going to put the lid on.
And that's gonna pop. Hopefully.
You reckon?
Yeah. I hear.
Whoa! 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 Did that give you a heart attack as well, did it?
A
I
bit.
want to stay inside.
Still fizzy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about we put it this way this
What if
time?
we put a match in it?
What's wrong, Cooper? Should have caught it.
Scare me.
Scared you?
Yeah.
Okay. And we need the conical flask, and we need a little bit of water in the conical flask.
Oh, do you need this then? And you need
Okay, this
Whoa, that's enough. A
Then why you give us
little bit of blue.
Then-
Go, click.
okay.
There we go.
Put that on top. That's what I'd love
We
to
don't need
see.
that.
That will pop on fire, and
Yeah.
hopefully we all
Put the
survive.
lid on tight
Why
like
is it
that.
near me?
Oh, why not? So what do you think's going to happen?
I
It's
know. Gonna shoot out a laser.
A laser?
Yeah.
It's not going to shoot out a laser.
It's gonna heat up and it's gonna start burning, and that water's
No.
gonna go on fire.
Burning?
No.
Water doesn't go on fire. What do I do? You
Steam.
heat up water.
Steam.
More water. There's lots of water in the science show.
They can't see that blue gas on that because they're on that side.
And
Can I stir?
are we ready?
Yeah.
That just scared me.
It's gonna be a vacuum. You're gonna stick that in there.
Are we ready?
Gonna be
Everyone got their safety goggles on?
Whoa.
It's what?
What?
It changes
It's
colours.
Whoa.
It's what?
Is that amazing?
I thought the glass was gonna crack.
I thought something was cracking, yeah.
Yeah, something was cracking.
Can you work that out? Or is that just like
It's just
magic?
like
a
suffocated and it
No.
turned black.
It's a
Pressure.
vacuum. It's a
Pressure?
vacuum.
Yeah.
There
vacuum.
was a vacuum in there, that's right, and air pressure pushed it up into it. Okay. You know what this metal's called?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Metal.
What?
Metal.
No.
Oh.
Hold that.
I don't even know what it's called.
It's malleable, it's ductile, it's shiny,
Aluminum.
Shiny.
it conducts electricity.
One this.
Aluminum.
It's like aluminium, very similar to aluminium, but it's actually magnesium. And we're going to ignite the magnesium ribbon.
That's bright. That's
Oh.
real bright.
How's that?
Do I just put on the
That's what's in fireworks?
That's what's in some fireworks, yeah. That's what's in some flares. Okay, Sam's going to get another sharpener out.
I'm gonna blow one. Might make blow flame.
Starting to melt.
It like pushes it in. Is it melting?
I see little sparks this time.
Yeah. Oh, I saw a little bright. I just saw a bit of bright.
Me too.
Yeah, here it comes. I just saw some more bright.
Okay, Sam's right.
Yeah.
This is magnesium. And look at that.
Magnesium.
The magnesium is
Yeah.
starting to ignite
Oh, here it
and
comes.
react with the oxygen.
Smart.
Put your goggles on just in case there's a fireball problem.
Explodes.
Okay? Look at that.
That's bright.
I think we can maybe drag it around. Oh,
Oh.
that's why we got it. Got the goggles on?
Keep your goggle on.
Keep your goggles on.
It's going to be green.
Yeah.
Maybe
the
that's
colours.
from the tone.
Oh.
I wonder what happens if I put a bit of that strontium chloride on, like.
Oh no.
Uh-oh, this is not gonna end well.
Remember how, whoa!
Oh, it's going to turn red. Yeah.
Red! Red!
Look at that, I've never done that before.
So that's how they make the red fireworks.
Yes.
Is that how they make red fireworks?
Yeah.
What?
Okay, well boys, how
Now
good
it's
was that? Hey? Was that fun?
Yeah, that's what was fun.
Okay, alright, well, thanks for joining us today. 2019 is going to be a great year for Make Science Fun. And
Is today January the 2nd?
today's January the 2nd.
Oh.
And this will go up on Friday because I upload videos on a Friday, don't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so thanks for watching and we'll see you this year. Bye everybody!
Bye.